Hi there, everyone. It is currently the 6th of December 2016. Meteorologist Robert Spena here with you today. Just a quick update, kind of breaking down what's going on out here in the tropics, because just by looking at the satellite picture, you might be kind of interested on this area here towards the southeast of the Philippines, just around Palau. And also want to talk a little bit about this cold surge and the heavy snowfall we're seeing in northern Japan. Now, first, let's touch on the tropics. Invest 90W, and it's located just around Palau. It has no LPA on this, even on the current and 24-hour and 48-hour outlook. They just don't have anything popping up on this just yet. That's for good reason. It's located right around 0 degrees south. There's just not enough Coriolis there, and plus we've had an abundance of cold surges come down over the past several weeks and just brought in an abundance of dry air. And you can even see that here currently on the GFS model. You just have the southern extent of a cold surge. But still, this low is something that we really kind of want to watch, because most models, including the ECMWF, JMA, NavGem, all do not develop this. But the GFS has been rather persistent. Now, one thing I do want to note, long-range GFS is something that you want to take with a grain of salt. But once it does show something persistently, we watch it. Now, should you worry? No. Should you just kind of monitor the situation? As always in the tropics, that's pretty much the case, because this stuff can pop up any time of the year. But we do have in the extended range, 300 hours out, a little bit of a tropical storm coming towards Luzon. Now, if we look back at even earlier models, this had this developing and pulling towards the northeast. And actually, if we scroll back, we can kind of take a look at this, let this buffer up, and see it right there. Now, that's at 200 hours out. A vast difference between models. So you might say it's persistently developing something, but each run is so incredibly different that there is zero reliability and zero confidence in exactly what will happen. Is something that we're going to continue to monitor over the coming days. But right now, Invest 90W it's there. We're watching it. All right, guys, let's pull back the picture, though. Tropics, where the northeast monsoon overall is dominating. That's really been bringing heavy rains towards the Philippines and eastern areas of Vietnam. But as you know, the Siberian high really dictates how strong the northeast monsoon is, and it's been exceptionally strong. That also means how much CFX snowfall we're going to see in Japan. And right now, we're actually seeing blizzard conditions in parts of western Hokkaido extending down through Tohoku. And if we go ahead through the west of Wednesday, even in the Thursday, we have another low come through. And how about this? Watch this on Friday. Kaboom! A nice low develops on Friday, and the Saturday, according to the ECMWF model, this would make for some impressive snow totals this coming weekend. It's one storm after another, and I think overall some of these areas out here could see upwards of a good 30 to 40 centimeters this coming week. Just because of that CFX snowfall machine, and especially in western Hokkaido extending down through central Honshu, that's Niigata and Nagano as well, going to be looking at plenty of snow accumulation. So the northeast monsoon keeping things cranking across Japan over the coming week, down towards the south, cooler, drier air into South China Sea. The tropics kind of spinning up, might kick off something, but we're going to watch out for that. And also do want to note the Bay of Bengal, probably going to have a cyclone out there this week, just in between seasons there for you, between the southwest and the northeast monsoon. Typical for this time of year, something I want to watch out. Might make a video actually update on that later on this week. All right, guys, that's all for now. Great news, I guess, right now. Quiet tropics and more snow in Japan.